Okay, so today we're going to use SolidWorks to create a surface development of your cupcake box. Here's an example of one I did, just a basic one. So you're going to begin by opening a drawing document. So File, New, and we're going to do a drawing. SolidWorks does heaps of really cool 3D stuff, but we're just working in 2D today. So choose an A3 page. Make sure this one here, display sheet format, is not ticked. Okay, so now this is my drawing board. Up the top are our sketch tools. There's a few different sets of tools you can use, but we will only be working with the sketch tools. So basically, I can just use lines, rectangles, polygons, circles, ellipses to create the outline of my box. So firstly, I'm using the rectangle tool, and I'm just going to start drawing in the shapes of my surface development. Don't worry too much about getting the sizes exactly right. We're actually going to fix them up later. So I'm just drawing in roughly what my surface development looks like, just with a series of rectangles. Now if I click on any of these lines, it gives me the parameters or properties. 74 millimeters long. I actually want it to be 80. Now this is the good thing. My whole box will jump and change size to exactly what I type in. That one there, maybe I want it 60. So I'm going to go along and make all of these 60. And I probably just need to change these as well to match. And that one. So this is the beginning of my surface development. There's actually another way I can change dimensions, and that's using the Smart Dimension tool. So I can click on that and drag that out and type in what I want it to be. And that's all changed. At any time, I can then click on that dimension and change it to whatever I want, and it just snaps. I can also use the line tool to draw in things, so if I want to put on my tabs, I'm just going to draw them in whatever shape I need. And so on. If they're not quite right, I can use the select tool and actually just move things around a bit to get them looking how I want. Another tool I really like is this trim tool, and I usually have it set on trim to closest. It's the scissors, and it can just snip away lines that you don't want to be there. Okay, so that's the first step in drawing your box, basically just drawing the outline of the surface development and making sure it's the size you want. Then, of course, you want to make sure you've saved it.